don't naturally, some do, climb ladders and fences. So you got to.
I've seen the videos.
I've got puppies. Usually one puppy in each of my litters has been a natural climber. You can't keep it in a fence. It just hooks on and goes. It's just like 1 out of 8. You know what I mean? And that's probably a bigger number than usual. There's probably usually none in a lot of litters. So those other 7 to 8 puppies, well, I've got to teach them to climb.
Yeah.
I've got to teach them to walk up stairs and ladders, and they don't really know how to navigate it. And then all this stuff just helps.